In the BEIN universe, the word breach doesn't actually exist, simply because it never became necessary. You see, in BEIN's particular reality, homes remain peaceful oases, businesses open and close smoothly, and institutions don't sweat if the lights blink. That's because in this world, BEIN exists. And BEIN protects against this breach by detecting it, alerting you against it, so that whether you are on the premises or not, the threat is neutralized anytime, day or night. In BEIN's world, households sleep soundly, institutions lock up fearlessly, and business managers, well, they mostly sip tea and take the credit. With world-class technology mobile phone alert systems, smart 24/7 surveillance, precise perimeter intruder detection systems, and more, BEIN solutions help protect you, so no matter where you are, you're fully empowered to safeguard what matters most. So, if you're hoping for a thrilling tale about break-ins, power cuts, or mysterious security glitches, we don't do that here. Since in the world of BEIN, we don't understand breach because no break-in goes undetected. Contact us to book your demo and join BEIN Secure Worlds today. BEIN Systems, you deserve peace.